Go for the big money. Hear anything yet. Makes me slightly concerned. Anyway, since I got the camera on, since I'll probably publish this unedited, might as well tell you the history of where we are. This is Lincolnton. And over there is the Seaboard Airline, which is now CSX. And over here is the bridge over one of the first rail trails in the Carolinas. What at one point was the Carolina Northwestern. But what's interesting is this little section of rail trail is actually owned by the DOT and is part of their preserved rail corridor. And over there is what was at one point the site of the Lincolnton Carolina Northwestern train depot, which was unfortunately demolished in 2014 or 15. It was very recently that it was demolished. Make way for a splash pad. Anyway, here's the world famous Lincolnton roundabout, site of many a near accident. Now also, this is just another little weird coincidence, but over here you'll see a little shop. And that little shop is actually where I'd like to be taking this video from, if I can ever get there. And I actually can only vaguely remember how to get there because it's been a while. Hoping I can make it. Now if I had to stop and take a video from here, I'd be very happy. But I'm going to go for the big money and see if I can catch it before it goes over the river.